Quiet on the set. All right. How long have you been at Vincentian?
20 years as of this August,
Why? Why do you do this work?
because it is so rewarding, and helping someone is very, very much rewarding. Based upon we see God's face in each and every one that we serve.
There's a lot of need in this area, isn't there?
Well, yes, and sometimes it's not that heavy.
There's a lot of homeless though.
Oh, yes, yes, there's a lot of homeless. Yes.
What can you do? I mean, when you're a Vincentian, what do you listen, don't you?
As a Vincentians, I've been officer. We served the needy.
Yeah, I mean, but you listen to their stories.
Definitely. This is the only way we can process their needs and help them to uh, build their lives to continue and not to need. But if they need, then we have to assist, and we do according to what, how, along with prayers, we pray and hope that they can maintain on their own. And whatever method besides St. Vincent that we can refer them to, we do. We do a lot of referrals to things that they are entitled to. And a lot of times they don't know. That helps too. And even in all respect, whether it's jobs or prayers or whatever it takes, in a sense that will not jeopardize their lives or hurt them.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. Good deal. See, that was easy.
Yeah.
That was easy.